welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix limited access in Discord. Okay, so the first thing you want to do to fix this problem is to go into Google, and you want to type into Google Discord Help Center, and then click on Go. Then this is the first result, Discord support. So you want to click on that. There where it says search, you want to type limited access. And then what you want to click on is limited access FAQ. And you want to scroll down on this article right here. It's going to explain more about it. But it says to clicking on the regain access here link in the limited access notification. Okay, so on and so forth. But what you want to do is click on submit a ticket here. It will go ahead and verify you real quick. And it says welcome to the Discord support form. And then all you need to do is sign into your Discord account. And then what you need to do is tell them that you have limited access, and they'll fix your problem within 72 hours. If this video helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.